In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix lost access to Microsoft Authenticator app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to present what I believe is the easiest and simplest way to recover access to the Microsoft Authenticator app and consequently your account. Assuming that you don't have access to the Authenticator app anymore, either because you lost your device, you lost your phone, or because you are locked out of your account, the best way to proceed is by using the Microsoft Account Recovery Form. So simply look for Microsoft Account Recovery Form on Google and you will arrive at this page. They will have information regarding what this form is and how it can help you. Now, they are going to assume that you have already tried to reset a forgotten Microsoft account password. If you haven't, click this link and you will be redirected to a page where you can start the process of recovering your password. But assuming that you don't know the password and you have already tried this and it just redirects you to the Authenticator app, then this is going to be the next big step. So first, you will need to have a working email. This can be any email, even one besides the account that you are trying to recover. Now scroll down and click the account recovery form linked here. You will be redirected to another page where you have to include which Microsoft account you are trying to recover. You have to type an email, phone, or Skype name. Afterwards, you will have to include a contact email address. This is going to be the recent email address that you have, and it is how you are going to remain in touch with the recovery process. They will send you emails with updates regarding the validation of your identity and if they were able to verify that you were the owner of the account. As long as you input it here and you detail what your issue is at the moment and you prove that you are the owner of the account, they will be able to assist you. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix lost access to Microsoft Authenticator app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.